Imagine someone opening your phone and reading your private Instagram chats. Scary, right? Here is how you can lock your chats and keep them completely private. First, open the Play Store and search for Instant Locker to Instant Chat. Download and install the app. You can also use the download link given in the description. Open the app and set a 4-digit passcode. Confirm the passcode to continue. In case you forget your passcode, enter your recovery email address here. Now allow for the accessibility permission. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select the personal chat or group conversation that you want to lock. And that's it, your chat will now be locked. Whenever you open this chat in the Instagram app, you will need to enter your passcode to access it. Isn't it super easy? If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tech tips.